Hello, we at Lexicon are proud to announce our biggest update yet for our collection of reverb and effects plugins. Your favorite sounds are now ready to work with more systems more efficiently. Among general performance improvements and bug fixes, new plugin formats are here to bring historic algorithms to modern machines. First, we know what most of you are here for, and that's updates for macOS. All plugins are now supported on Apple Silicon and up to the current OS, Sequoia. VST users rejoice because we've got you covered too. VST3 is now available for Mac OS and Windows, so tell your friends and keep those collabs going. Finally, upgrades to our plugins licenses mean that you can now activate your licenses directly to your computer. No need to carry that USB around just for your reverbs anymore. Simply activate the license in iLok License Manager and select your computer as the authorization location. All plugins are now installed through the FLUX Center app. Links will be in the description below. Please reach out to Harman Pro Technical Support for iLok license questions. For more news, product information, and troubleshooting tips, visit us at lexiconpro.com or Anytime Help Center at help.harmanpro.com.